Hello scholars, how are you all? I hope you are fine and staying healthy. Today we are starting Unit 2, the Habitats and People. In the previous chapter you have studied about the different climatic conditions of the world. And in this unit you are going to study about the life of the people in the regions of different climatic conditions. Here we are starting chapter number 4, the land of dense forests in the Democratic Republic of Congo. You can open your book on page number 27. Previously you have studied that the region around the equator has hot and wet climate throughout the year. This results in a great biodiversity of the region. Biodiversity means the existence of a number of different kinds of animals and plants which together make a good and healthy environment. So let us study more about this region around the equator by the example of the Democratic Republic of Congo of Africa, which was earlier called Zaire. The Democratic Republic of Congo is located on the western side of Africa. Equator passes through the northern part of this country. It is surrounded by Congo on the west, Central African Republic and Sweden on the north, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi and Tanzania on the east, and Zambia and Angola towards the south of Congo. Zaire is a big and important river in the world. A major part of the Democratic Republic of the Congo lies in the basin of Zaire River. Basin means the total area drained by a river and its tributaries. River Zaire, which is also known as Congo River, is the second largest river in Africa. Do you know which is the largest river in Africa? It's Nile. The river Congo is also known as the highway of Central Africa. The sources of the Congo River are in the highlands and mountains of the East African Rift, as well as Lake Tanganyika and Lake Muro. The four major lakes of the country are Albert, Kivu, Edward and Tanganyika. The Zaire River enters the Atlantic Ocean near Matadi, which is the important port of the country. Kinshasa is the capital of Democratic Republic of Congo. The climate of the Democratic Republic of Congo is hot and humid. There is enough sunshine and rainfall in this region. As a result of its equatorial location, the Congo experiences large amounts of rainfall and has the highest frequency of thunderstorms in the world. It receives the annual rainfall of 200 centimeters in some places, and this area has the second largest rainforest in the world after the Amazon. The area is surrounded by plateaus merging into savanna in the south. Savanna is a grassy plain in tropical and subtropical regions with few trees, and by mountainous traces in the west and dense grasslands extending beyond the Congo River in the north. Let us study about the plant or vegetation life of the Democratic Republic of Congo. The climate of this region helps in the growth of thick forests with tall trees. The trees in this area grow very tall and form a canopy which prevents the sunlight from reaching the ground. Canopy is like an umbrella which is formed with the connecting branches of the tall trees. Because of this, Congo is called the heart of darkness. The ground of these forests is covered with shrubs and bushes. This area has a large variety of trees, and about half of the country is covered with thick equatorial forests. Due to the large amount of precipitation, the forests remain green throughout the year, and they are called evergreen forests. The forests have the hardwood trees like mahogany and ebony, which provide raw materials for many industries. The rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo contain great variety of wildlife species, including many rare and endemic species, such as the two species of chimpanzee, that is, the common chimpanzee and the bonobo, which is also known as the pygmy chimpanzee, together with the other animals like mountain gorilla, okapi, and white rhino. The country has many national parks and wildlife reserves, such as the Garumba, Kauzi-Biaga, Salonga, and Virunga National Parks, and the Okapi Wildlife Reserve. As these forests are very thick and evergreen, there are many different other varieties of animals, insects, and reptiles which we found in this region. As per the needs of the people of Congo, many parts of these forests have been cleared and the land is used for growing different types of crops like rice, cotton, groundnut, coffee, rubber, cocoa, tobacco, and palm. Cassava and banana are the main food crops of this region. Cassava is a root crop which is pounded to prepare flour, which is used for making bread. Some agricultural products like cocoa, coffee, and palm oil are also exported to other parts of the world. The Democratic Republic of Congo is rich in mineral resources. The Congo is the world's largest producer of cobalt and a major producer of copper and industrial diamond. It has significant deposits of tantalum. Tantalum is used in the fabrication of electronic components in computers and mobile phones. In 2002, tin was discovered in the east of the country, but it has not been utilized properly till now. There are other minerals also available in this region like cobalt, copper, gold, uranium, and silver. Apart from the availability of these resources, this region is not developed much and has very few industries which are in or near the cities. The government of the country is making efforts to utilize these resources properly. As per the availability of water in the country, there are many dams built across the rivers to produce hydroelectricity. Let us know about the living conditions of the people of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Due to thick and dense forest, the country is thinly populated. The people live in villages and most of them are Bantu Negroes. They are tall and hefty with dark skin and they follow a traditional lifestyle in the villages. While in cities, the people mostly wear modern clothes and lead European lifestyle, whereas in the northern part, the people are short in heights and are called pygmies. They are nomads. Nomads are the people live their life as hunters and gatherers. They live in small herds and they are fond of honey. Apart from all this, Christianity is the major religion of the Democratic Republic of Congo. With about 30 million members, the Roman Catholic Church in the Democratic Republic of Congo is one of the largest Christian denominations in the continent of Africa. Let us know about the transportation system of the country. The ground transport in the Democratic Republic of Congo has always been difficult. The terrain and the climate of the Congo present serious barriers to road and rail construction. The Democratic Republic of Congo has thousands of kilometers of navigable waterways, and traditionally water transport has been the dominant means of transport of the country. All air carriers certified by the Democratic Republic of Congo have been banned by the European Commission because of inadequate safety standards. We have seen that this region of Democratic Republic of Congo has a great biodiversity and resources. In spite of this, the region is not developed. It's because of the lack of education, technology and government efforts. We have come to the end of the chapter. So let us revise what we have studied today. We studied chapter number 4, the land of dense forests in the Democratic Republic of Congo. The Democratic Republic of Congo is located on the western side of Africa. The major part of Congo lies in the basin of river Zaire. The climate of Democratic Republic of Congo is hot and humid. Kinshasa is the capital of the Democratic Republic of Congo. The forests in this area remain green throughout the year and known as the evergreen forests. The dense forests are the home of different types of plants and animals. The region is also rich in mineral resources. I hope you have understood the chapter. Do the reading of the chapter properly and complete your work on time. That is, exercises in book, question answers in the copy and worksheet in a file or register. The exercises, question answers and worksheet you will get from the link given in the description box. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.